How to add before and after image slider to Shopify. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. It is very simple, so let's just go ahead and get to it. So first just log into your Shopify admin and go to edit theme. Now from here all you need to do is select the page where you want to add this slider to. So I'm just going to edit to the home page and click on add section within the template. Next up, I'm just going to scroll down until I find the section I'm looking for, which is the image compare section. So as you can see, this is the one that I'm looking for. So I'm just going to click on image compare. And now we have this ready to go. We can feel free to play around with it before we actually add the images. For example, the alignment between them, the positioning of it, and also the size, whether you want it to be full page or the height to be small, medium, or even large. It's completely up to you. And you can feel free to change a few more things within the appearance, like the scheme of it and so on. But most importantly here, we wanted to start adding the images to the comparison slider. So what we wanted to do is within the image compare option, we're going to find the content section. Within it, we are going to be able to find the text, which we can change as well in here, and the buttons, which are down here, and most importantly the comparison slider. You simply just want to click on that and you're going to have the option to add two different images, so essentially the before and after. So I'm just going to go and click on select, and let's say this is the before. Well, let's just do it the other way. So before and after is going to be the gold one. Click on done and you can even see it in action right away. And you can even add text on images, but I'm not really going to do that. You have a few things here when it comes to options, like the aspect ratio. If you want it to be squared, if both images are not exactly the same, you can just make them both squared. It's just going to make things easier. But I'm just going to leave it as landscape, and also more things here that you can play around with. But now you can just feel free to change the slider. If we just toggle this off, we can see that the slider moves with us and changes from before to after. So this is pretty much all you need to do to get this on your Shopify store. So with that being said, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.